Hey folks, Dave Ceruolo, real estate, probate, and elder law attorney. In this video, we're going to talk about prepaid items if you're doing a home loan or some type of a real estate loan. Now, if you're watching me on Facebook, make sure that you like me. If you're watching me on YouTube, make sure you click the lower right-hand corner in your screen to subscribe. Stay tuned. At the time of the closing on your home, why does the bank sometimes make you pay the next real estate tax bill in full, especially if you're escrowing moving forward? Well, folks, as we learned in past videos, your real estate taxes are typically based on a quarterly schedule on the fiscal year. Your fiscal year begins July of every year, and so we're talking about every 3 months your real estate tax bill will be due. Now, if your real estate taxes are coming due prior to or at the time of your first mortgage payment, the bank is going to make you pay that bill in advance so that you clear the slate. And then what happens is the bank takes your total taxes for the year, your total real estate taxes for the year, divides by 12, and they factor that into your mortgage payment. And every month that you make your mortgage payment, you're putting 1/12 of your real estate taxes away into your escrow account so that when the bills come due in the future, the bank pays those bills for you moving forward. And you, a lot of times, don't even have to think about it. Dave Ceruolo, CeruoloLaw.com. So when you buy a house, what is an HO3 policy and why does the bank make you pay for it up front? Well, folks, an HO3 policy is a homeowner's insurance policy that covers your dwelling from situations like fires, vandalism, and other types of damage. It also will be written to cover structures on your property such as fences, sheds, and pools from damage. It will also cover your personal contents, and you can increase that personal content coverage for things like computers, diamond rings, jewelry. So that's what the policy is all about. Now, why does the bank make you pay for it up front? Well, the bank's going to make sure that you have that policy in place for the immediate 12 months after your closing. The bank may also make you escrow for your insurance premium every year, and basically what they do at that point is they take your premium, divide by 12, and add that into your monthly mortgage payment. So by the time that your first policy comes out of play, you will have enough money in your escrow account for the next 12 months. Dave Ceruolo, CeruoloLaw.com. So what is prepaid interest at the time of your closing? Well, there's two concepts that we basically have to understand. The first concept that we have to understand is the bank is going to charge you interest every day that you have the loan out. It's called your per day amount or your per diem interest. The second concept that we have to understand is when you make your mortgage payment, you're not making it for the month that you make the payment. So for instance, you pay July the 1st, you're not paying for the month of July, you're paying for the month of June, the month before. Now flash forward, when you go to close, and let's say you close on July the 15th, you usually skip a month's payment for your mortgage when you first close because you remember you are paying a month in arrears. So in this instance, your first payment would be September the 1st. That would cover you for the month of August, principal and interest. And you closed on July the 15th. So you would have basically 16 days worth of per diem to pay. That's your prepaid interest that you're going to pay up front at the time of closing. Dave Ceruolo, CeruoloLaw.com.